Hi guys, I'm Sriram.r. Topic is explain the solid waste management and category of the waste and the sources of solid waste. Introduction to solid waste management. Solid waste management involves the collection of treatment and disposal of the different types of waste, minimize the environmental impact. It aims to promote the sustainable practices and reduce the amount of the sent to landfills. Definition of solid waste. Waste categories, disposal methods, environmental impact. Solid waste refers to any garbage, refuse to sludge or other discarded materials arising from a residential, commercial, industrial and construction activities. Disposal methods. It includes the materials like paper, plastic, metals and organic waste which must be managed through a sustainable disposal methods, reducing environmental impact and promoting a recycling. Environmental impact. The management of the solid waste is crucial for preserving natural resources and reducing the power pollution, contributing to the healthier and the more sustainable. Category of the solid waste. Organic waste. This category includes the biodegradable waste such as food, garden waste, and paper products. Effective management reduces the methane emissions and supports composing initiatives. Recyclable waste materials like paper, glass, plastic, and metals can be recycled. Proper sorting, recycling process helps to conserve a natural resources and reduce the energy consumption. Hazardous waste, this refers to a substance that can harm a human health and environment. Disposed of properly, examples includes battery, pesticides, and chemicals. Municipal waste of a solid waste. SMW is generated from the households, includes the waste from the schools and the commercial establishments, and collection systems ensure the proper removal of the waste, treatment and the sanitary landfills of the waste to the energy facilities are used to manage MSW. Effective treatment reduces the environment impact and promotes the resource recovery. Disposal. Safe, sustainable disposal of the MSW is important to prevent the pollution and protect the public health. Modern landfills, waste management and practices that aim to minimize the harm to the environment. Industrial solid waste. Diverse sources, environmental impact, regulatory compliance. Industrial waste is generated from the manufacturing process, production facilities, and industrial activities. It includes the materials like scrap, metals, chemicals, and construction degrades. Environmental impact. Management of the industrial waste is crucial to prevent a water, soil contamination and decrease the energy consumption and promote a sustainable production practices. Regulatory compliances. Industries must adhere the strict regulations to ensure the safe and responsible management of their waste, reducing harmful effects on the environmental and the human health. Hazardous waste. Types of hazardous waste, legal regulations, specialized treatment. Hazardous waste includes the chemical, heavy metals, and toxic substances that pose a health and the environmental not handled properly. Legal regulations, strict regulations govern and them generation, transportation, treatment, and disposal of the hazardous waste to prevent the environment contamination, protecting ecosystem and the human health. Specialized treatment. Professionally managed facilities employs the specialized treatment methods to neutralize, stabilize, and safely dispose of the hazardous waste, minimize the potential harm to the environmental, public, and the health. Sources of solid waste, residential waste, commercial waste, and construction of demolition waste. Solid waste generated from the households, including paper, packaging, food scraps, and other materials resulting in daily activities. Commercial waste produced by the commercial establishments and office, restaurants, and retail stores, including packaging materials and discarded goods. Construction and demolition waste, debris and discarded materials from the construction, renovation, demolition projects, including concrete, wood, roofing materials, and packaging. Residential waste, composition, segregation, collection, and disposal. It includes the household trash and recyclables and organic waste. Effective management and recycling efforts are essential to reduce the environmental impact of the residential waste. Segregation, encouraging the waste segregation at the source is the crucial to ensure the effective recycling and proper disposal of the different types of the waste in residential sector. Collection and disposal of the efficient collection and responsible for the disposal methods are key to minimizing the environmental impact of the residential waste and promoting sustainable practices. Commercial waste, business operation waste management initiatives, complaints, and the regulation. Various waste is generated from the business activities, including the office paper, packaging materials, food waste from the restaurants and cafeterias. Waste management initiatives, implementing the effective waste management programs, recycling efforts across the commercial sector is crucial to minimize the environmental impact of the commercial waste. Compliance of the regulations, business needed to comply with waste disposal regulations, prioritize the responsible waste management practices to protect their surroundings and the ecosystems. Construction and demolition of the waste, large scale debris and recycling initiatives. Massive quantities to concrete, wood, metal, and other materials are generated from the construction and demolition activity, requiring the efficient management and recycling strategies. And recycling initiative, promoting the construction debris recycling and reuse. The efforts can significantly reduce the environmental impact of these waste materials on the landfills and the natural resources. Regulatory compliance, adhering to a construction demolition of the waste management and regulation is essential to minimize the environmental impact and support the sustainable development practices in the industries. Thank you, guys.